Today, I'll show you how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Chrome lets you control camera access in two main ways. You can respond to a permission pop-up when a site asks to use your camera, or you can change the camera permission later in Chrome settings. Google also notes that if a site is blocked, some features like video calls or scans may not work properly. If you're using Chrome on a computer, open the website that wants to use your camera. When Chrome shows the permission prompt, choose Allow while visiting the site, Allow this time, or Never Allow. Google says those are the normal choices on desktop Chrome when a site asks for camera access. If you want to change the setting later on a computer, open Chrome, click the three dots in the top right, then go to Settings, Privacy and Security, and Site Settings. From there, open Camera. Google says this is where you can manage camera permissions and review site access in desktop Chrome. On Android, the idea is very similar. Open Chrome and visit the site. When the site asks for camera access, tap Allow or Block. If you want to change it later, Google says you can open the site, tap the site information icon next to the address bar, then open permissions and update the camera setting there. If Chrome still can't use the camera on Android, there may be a phone-level permission issue. Google's Android Help says you can open your phone's settings, then go to Privacy or Permission Manager, find Camera, and make sure Chrome is allowed to use it. Android also has quick settings tiles that can turn camera access off for the whole device, so it's worth checking that too. On iPhone or iPad, open Chrome and go to the site that wants camera access. When prompted, tap Allow or Don't Allow. Google also says you can edit permissions from Chrome greater than settings greater than content settings, and if needed, you can open the iPhone Settings app, choose Chrome, and adjust permissions there. One more thing to remember is that camera settings can also be controlled by a school, work account, or administrator, and if a specific site still won't work, Google Meets Help suggests checking the camera icon in the address bar and setting the site to allow on every visit for that site. And that's how to allow or block camera access in Google Chrome. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.